You
Oh,
there?
what happened? Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Ah, well,
Can you hear me clearly?
opo. I can hear you now.
Okay. Okay, just a moment. All right. So, kumusta?
Mabuti. Ikaw?
I'm good. Mabuti din. All right. So, it's been a while. Matagal na tayong di nagkausap. Kailan ba last? Oh my goodness. What's happening here?
Isang buwan? Isang buwan?
Isang buwan na tayo from the last time we talked. I see.
Opo.
So, kumusta yung pag-aaral mo ng Tagalog? Kumusta na?
Uh, it was going good. Actually, 1 week. Since 1 week, I couldn't. I think more than 1 week, I couldn't get a class. Because of the tournament. First reason. The second reason, I cannot
Okay.
blame myself 100% because some of the teachers of Italki did not reply or did not came up show up. So yeah, I
Oh my
missed.
God.
So last 3 days I was start having classes again.
Mhm.
Last
You're having
yesterday was
mixed
another class.
classes, right? You're having
Sorry.
mixed classes. Mixed classes like few languages.
No, just two languages because I've been learning Spanish since 2.5 years. Yeah,
Mhm.
still because I start forgetting now Spanish vocabularies. Not actually forgetting.
Yes.
Just now I cannot remember while speaking. Like conversation. For
Yes.
example, like I'm speaking English right now, I start forgetting like vocabularies. I don't know what to say this. So that's why I had to for survival language in a language sense.
Yes,
Yeah, I have
because
to
the only
practice.
way, yeah, the only way to maintain the language, it's like even if you learn a lot today, and if you do not use it, if you do not practice it, you will eventually forget it because that is not your
Opo,
mother tongue, or that is not
opo.
the usual language that you do. So today, thank you for taking lesson with me again.
Walang ano man.
All right. So ngayon, ang pag-aaralan natin, kanina nag-prepare ako ng, can you understand me?
Just
Or
Nayon
I'm too
and
fast?
Nayon, I understood, and yeah, too fast. Nayon and
Okay.
nag-aral. We're gonna
You
learn
tell me.
something. Right?
Yes, you tell me if I'm too
Okay.
fast. Okay. Ngayon, today, the lesson that I prepared is sana, supposedly, reading and comprehension. But I changed my mind. I will give you a sentence, but you have to complete it.
Sige.
Okay? But it is in Tagalog.
Sige.
Tagalog tayo,
Oo
mag-usap.
naman.
Yes, oo naman. Very good. Okay, that's so confident. Okay, now simula tayo. Actually, this is an English lesson. I just have to translate the sentences into Tagalog. Okay.
Sige.
First sentence. Ang gusto kong mga tao ay
Gusto kong mga tao ay. What is tao? Tao.
people.
People. Okay. Tao, people.
Gusto
I
like
like. Yeah, I know that. I just that's a new vocabulary for me. Tao.
tao.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang
People like
gusto.
kaya.
I like people. I like people.
Yes, I like people who are.
I can complete with any sentence I want, or
Yes,
I have to
yes.
specify. Okay, specify.
No. Anything that you want to add and then make it like
Okay, like continuing sentence, right?
yes, yes. Complete it
Sige.
and make more.
Ang gusto kong mga tao ay maganda.
Wow, beautiful. Of course. Okay, go ahead.
It's not complete yet.
If you want to add or you want to have period in it.
I run out of words. Maganda, then I don't know what to add after that.
Ang
Beautiful.
gusto kong mga tao ay maganda. Wow. Okay, beautiful people, of course. Bakit?
Bakit? Bakit? Dahil gusto kong gusto kong sabihan sabihan ng tao maganda.
What's that in English? Because
Gusto kong sabihan. Because I like to speak with beautiful people. I mean, in
Ah,
sense of beautiful people means in heart.
yes, yes.
That I meant
Here, if you say
not
sabihan,
physical. Uh-huh.
yes. Yeah, that's good for both physical, I mean, outside and inside. Okay. All right. Now,
Still,
when you
I cannot explain in depth in like in heart. So yeah, so just for
it's
the
okay,
time
yes.
being.
But
Mhm.
actually, when you say magandang tao, it's a general way of telling that that person is beautiful inside and out.
Okay.
So, okay,
Got you.
now you said because I want to talk to beautiful people. That's what you said, right? When you use the word sabihan, it's more on tell.
Ah,
Okay, it's not
not
about talk. It's
ah
tell. So like I said, I mean, for example, gusto kong sabihan ka
So I
na
have to add
ikaw
something.
ay, yes, no.
What to tell?
Gusto kong sabihan ka na ikaw ay guwapo. So I want to tell you that you are handsome. But
Ah,
if I'm going to say that
mhm.
gusto kong makipag-usap sa'yo,
Makipag.
it means I want to speak with you or to
Ah,
talk to you. So instead of
okay.
sabihan, we use the
Ah,
word makipag-usap.
makipag-usap.
Yes.
It is the
So
sound for
sabihan means
that.
tell.
It is sound like that.
Oh, what is
Sound of
that?
the I think fan.
Oh, my. Is it too loud?
Yeah, there is a sound of the fan.
Is it too loud? Is it so
Yeah,
annoying? Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
like
How
this.
can I how can I
Like that. Two sound there is in the background, like sound of the air and sound of the
rain?
no, not rain. Like when you while driving the car, when you put your hand like this, like that, right? Two kind of sound. First
Oh,
of all, the sound of the fan. Second of all, sound of the air when air hits your hand. How is
where
it?
is that? Where
That
is that sound? I have a fan here, but it's a ceiling fan, so there's just a little sound, but it's not too loud. But
maybe
anyway,
from your side, or I think. Do you use like Crisp, that app?
yeah, I used
Uh,
Crisp a while ago, and it already, I mean, the free 1 hour is already
that's why.
expired for today.
That's why. Like the
Okay, I
radio,
will call you
exactly
again,
like that.
okay?
Like the radio,
Yes, yeah.
Like
Yeah,
that.
scratchy sound. We call that scratchy sound. Okay, I will call you again, okay?